Hi guys, this is Lalit and today I will show you how to set the clock on router. So first go on router and go to the enable mode. Press there clock set command and set the time what is running on. After give the time, give space date, give space month, give space year and press enter. After that, for this saving configuration, press the copy run startup command for the saving configuration and press enter. For watching this configuration is save or not, press the show clock command and there we can see what we set under. We can see that is a set it, so we can set clock like this. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget like and subscribe.